Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another RV parts showcase. Today we're talking about the Tank Saver. What does this do? This is an RV water heater tank flushing tool. People say, why do I need to flush out my water heater? Simple. When you heat water, whatever minerals are in it a lot of times will literally turn into solids and sink to the bottom of the tank. So your tank starts to fill in, right? It can be manganese, it can be iron, all kinds of stuff. But slowly over time, your tank starts to fill in. As it does, your heating element a lot of times is towards the bottom. It's not effective anymore. The water's not really getting to it. Can even cause them to burn out. But when you take this 3-4 times a year, especially after a long camping trip or a camping trip where you're not sure about the water source, if you flush your water tank out, you want to just pull the pressure regulator thing out, then you flush this out, or you flush out your tank using this, you get all that bad water, all the bad minerals, anything in there that could cause odor, cause damage to your water heater element, etc., out of your tank. Very, very affordable. This one's $14. Great, cheap maintenance, keeps your water heater lasting a whole lot longer, and it also protects the burner element in it. If you have any questions, call and ask for parts at 877-877-4494. Check it out on our webpage, rvwholesalers.com, and please subscribe to our YouTube page.